Hi everyone, Scott from Angry Badger Minis. I just wanted to show you guys or give you a quick video update on the Ravenwing. They are completely assembled now, and I thought you guys might like to see what they look like in all their glory aside from being painted, of course. So what we have here, in essence, is a total of 51 bikes, 8 land speeders, 1 land speeder Vengeance, and one Samuel on Sableclaw model that I had to kit bash and make, and one Samuel Master of the Ravenwing on his bike. So getting a little closer here, I'm probably going to use these guys right here as a Black Knight squad. I still need to read up on it. We may have too many in the squad, but it's 10, so should be fine. We've got, command squad with Apothecary, champion, and ancient or standard bearer. One thing I did with these guys is I really didn't like the beaky helmets, so these extra parts I had from the Ravenwing box sets with these helmets that look like, like a knight, I went ahead and I put those on there. Unfortunately, I did not have enough to go with the Black Knight squad because I wasn't exactly sure if I was actually going to field them as such. But each one of the regular bike squads has 5 members and 1 attack bike. Obviously, as you can tell, we've got a ton of options that we can do, from small games to large games. It doesn't matter. I've got 2 of these, older metal land speeders. I got them off of eBay probably 2 decades ago. I don't know. It's been a long time. But I really love the model. Of course, they're really heavy. And they will hang out with my Master of the Hunt or Samuel on his Sableclaw land speeder, which was kit bashed from a very old land speeder. And the reason I even bring that up is that plastic is a lot more brittle than the new plastic that Games Workshop is using. So thought I'd throw in some scatter terrain just to give an idea of some of the other projects I have to work on. But I wanted to bring your attention to these craters right here. These craters were actually made in 1999. It's probably older than some of you. Made out of foam insulation. Comes from actually Okinawa, Japan, believe it or not. So anyway, I thought you guys might like this. And again, in our mission to assemble everything that we have, paint everything that we have, we've got a long way to go. We're gonna work on this cabinet, but the next thing that we're working on is Deathwing Terminators and the rest of the Dark Angels from the Dark Vengeance box sets. And should be relatively, well, I don't want to say easy, but it should be relatively easy. We're actually 2 days ahead of schedule right now for the turnaround on this Ravenwing. I wanted to be done by the end of the day on Wednesday, and actually finished yesterday, about 8:30 or so last night. I forget exactly when, but it's on my last live stream, so it was the last 5 land speeders that needed to be put together. But I went ahead and I based everything too. Put their bases on, and yeah, it looks great. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you like the channel, please share, like, and subscribe, and follow me on this journey. Talk to you next time.